Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so today we are going to study, inshallah, the characteristic of sound. Now, what are characteristic of sound? Let us say we want to differentiate between two sound. We want to differentiate between two. We have two sound and we can differentiate between these two sound based on three characteristic. Okay, number one characteristic is the intensity or the loudness. Okay, so whenever you hear two sound, you may differentiate between them depending on the loudness. That means one you might feel louder and one you might feel a less loud. Okay, so depending on this loudness of the sound, you may differentiate between two sound. So now this loudness depends on the amplitude of the sound. We already know what amplitude is, right? Okay, so see, depending the loudness depends on this amplitude. So if the amplitude is higher, then we call it the sound of high intensity, and if the amplitude is lower, we call it the sound of low intensity. Now high intensity, what will happen? You can see this is the amplitude, right? If I show you here, then this is the amplitude, okay, or this is the amplitude. Now there are two sound. This is one sound and this is another sound. In which case do you think the amplitude is higher?
Teacher, first one.
Definitely the first one. Here the amplitude is higher. So what will happen? This sound you will feel to be louder. Okay. So this sound is of high intensity. This graph is for this one. Okay, for high intensity. And for low intensity, what will happen? The amplitude will be much less. Okay, so compared to if we differentiate between two sound depending on the loudness, okay, so we can see that it is having higher intensity means higher loudness, and it is having lower intensity and lower loudness, and that depends on the amplitude. Okay, I hope this is clear. Then if we move to the next one, that is pitch. Okay, now as loudness depends on amplitude, okay, pitch depends on the frequency. Okay, pitch depends on
Sir, pitch ki?
pitch. It depends on frequency. I will explain. See, when we will say that the sound has a lower pitch, when the frequency is less. Okay, so you can see that, let us say from here to here, it is, according to us, it is 1 second. Okay, so you can see that within 1 second here only one vibration is completed, right? One vibration is completed, right? But here within that 1 second, see, it is the same 1 second. That is why I have drawn it up and down to make you feel the difference. Same 1 second, same 1 second. But what is the number of completed vibration now? 1, 2. 2 vibration has been completed here, right? So as you can see, we know that the number of vibration completed in 1 second is the frequency. So here the number of vibration completed in 1 second is 1. And here the number of vibration completed in 1 second is 2. So here there is higher frequency, right? So this sound will be known as sound of higher pitch, and this one will be known as sound of lower pitch. Okay. So even though, let us say we have two sound in which the intensity or the loudness is same, but the frequency can be different. Okay, so based on this frequency, you can differentiate between these two sound. We will watch a video inshallah today, okay, which will explain these things into more detail. This is just for a basic idea. Okay, with example inshallah we will see. Okay, I will show you how a low pitch sound and high pitch sound can be. Okay, Achha. So depending on the frequency, we can differentiate between two sound, right? That is called pitch. One sound can be of low pitch if the frequency is less, and if the frequency is more, then it will be called as higher pitch. Okay, based on the graph, we can understand this very easily. In 1 second, one vibration completed. In 1 second, two vibration completed.
Sir. Sir.
Follow, শুনতেছি তো?
Oh, if they don't give us the graph,
no, you don't graph. Actually, you will draw it from yourself, like I drew it from myself, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, like আমরা কোন জায়গা থেকে আওয়াজ শুনছি একটা, তা আমরা ওটাকে এরকম করে কিভাবে এক্সপ্রেস করতে পারবো?
ও আচ্ছা আচ্ছা, ওইটার জন্য ওইটা তো
হ্যাঁ,
তোমরা একটা মেশিন লাগবে আসলে। There is a machine actually which will show you some graph like this, okay? এটা তোমরা তখন নিজে থেকে আঁকতে পারবে না, because if you know the data, what is the amplitude, what is the wavelength, then only you can draw it, okay?
ওকে ওকে
Acha. So this is there. Then let us say you have a sound, you have two sounds, okay, with same loudness and same pitch. Same loudness and same pitch, okay, that means the amplitude and the frequency are same. That means depending on these two, you cannot differentiate between these two sounds, but still you feel that there is some difference between the sound, okay? Now that one is called quality or timbre, okay, quality or timbre, and it depends on human feeling, okay? Even though both the sounds are having the same loudness and the same pitch, still you might feel some sound pleasant to hear, you feel good, like the music we hear, right? So music are pleasant to hear, so these will be called rich quality. These sounds are of rich quality. And the horn of car, you know, people get irritated by it, okay? That is actually the sound of a horn has been kept noisy for some purpose, okay, so that people get, you know, irritated and move from front, okay? If you had kept a pleasant to hear song as your horn, then nobody will move from in front of you because they are enjoying the sound, okay? So this is a purpose. So if it is
Sir.
pleasant to hear, then it will be of rich quality. If it is not if it is not pleasant or it feels noisy, then you can say the sound is of poor quality. So even though both the sounds are having same loudness and same frequency, still you can differentiate between these two sounds depending on the quality of the sound. If it is pleasant to hear, you can say this is of rich quality. If it is not pleasant to hear, this is of poor quality. Now in this case, actually you cannot show it through any graph, because this depends on your feeling, okay? This depends on your feeling.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Sir, you said that if the intensity and the pitch is same, but the quality will be also same, no? Because
No.
it is depends on only human feeling. You said the sound quality is not good, or like sound quality is good. How?
Okay, let me tell you. Let us say I am playing the drum, okay? I am beating the drum, okay? So sometimes, you know what will happen, those who can play the drum, okay, when they will play the drum, it will be very pleasant to hear, right? Now with the same intensity and same pitch, if I beat the drum, you will not feel pleasant. Why? Because I cannot actually play the drum. This example goes for other musical instruments also. Like if I want to play the guitar, those who cannot actually play the guitar, if they, you know, try to play with the same loudness and pitch, okay, they might be able to play with same intensity and pitch, but the quality will not be the same, okay? Because in the case of me, okay, I don't know how to play the guitar, so you might not feel good hearing to my playing of guitar, okay? Then but those who can play the guitar, you might feel pleasant, okay, hearing their
স্যার
sound.
স্যার আমার কাছে একটা কোশ্চেন আছে, লাইক কয়েকটা হর্ন আছে না যেগুলো অনেক নয়েজি?
Speak English.
Hydraulic horn.
হ্যাঁ, হাইড্রোলিক হর্ন স্যার। How their frequency is going?
I actually don't have much knowledge about hydraulic horn.
1 second, 4 vibration.
Not 4 vibration.
Hydraulic horn, I don't know much about, so that is why I cannot tell you anything about that right now. Acha, if you understood or got the idea about this chart on the board, then we can watch a video. Okay, are you ready to watch the video?
Yes.
Sir, 1 minute.
Yes.
Huh? Anybody who wants to ask any question based on this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute for what?
Sir, writing.
Sir, in which college?
Okay, so let us start our video.
Awesome.
Characteristics of sound wave. I think we can go a little bit forward. From here, actually, we can start. See, characteristic of sound. Depending on the frequency, we can differentiate between two sound. Depending on the amplitude, we can differentiate between two sound, and depending on its quality, we can differentiate.
Sir, on the sound.
If I on the sound, you will not be able to hear it. See, I have turned on the sound. Let us see. Hear it.
Okay.
Can you hear the sound?
No.
That's why I opted, because I saw it earlier that even though I can hear the sound, you are not being able to hear it. That is why I play the video and I pause it and I explain myself. So you can see very less frequency, okay? I will go 10 seconds back. See, less frequency. And then you will see a sound of higher frequency. See, 10 bits per minute. In 1 minute, 10 bits. So this is the graph of that. Okay, this is the graph of that. Now the next one, you will see it will have more frequency, more wave in shorter time.
Oscillation.
Oscillation, right. This is how actually sounds propagate. See, compressions are there. If I pause at any time, some compressions are there, okay, and some rarefactions are there, expansions. These things we already know, right? 1 hertz means 1 cycle per second. Time period, these things we already know, right? That is why I'm not explaining these things now. Okay, now let us see. 2 sound wave, we will compare. This one will have higher frequency, okay? When we blow a whistle, it will have higher frequency. And when the quail is cooing, okay, quail is a bird, and when it coos, what will happen? Sound of low frequency will be produced. You will see that the wave is more spreaded. Can you see the difference?
Yes, sir.
Very clear, right? You can see high
Yes.
frequency, okay? Within less amount of time, so many waves are produced. But to complete one wave, oh my, a lot of time is being taken, okay? So definitely the frequency is higher here. So this is the sound, we can differentiate between 2 sound depending on this characteristic, that is frequency. This is high pitched and this is low pitched. High frequency. High pitched or shrill sound. Yes, this is one very important thing.
Sir, shrill sound mane?
Shrill means high frequency. This is what I forgot to mention, I guess. So shrill sound means this sound has higher frequency. And this is low pitched, and low pitched sounds are called dull sound. Okay, shrill sound means high frequency, dull sound means low frequency.
Note down, sir.
Doubt? Bolo?
No, note down.
Yeah, you have to write it down. Shrill sound means higher frequency and dull sound means lower.
Higher frequency or pitch?
Higher pitch, higher frequency, they both mean the same thing. If I tell you
Okay.
that this sound has higher pitch, this means that this one has higher frequency. They both mean the same thing. So we already got done with the frequency. Now we will see amplitude. Okay, amplitude means the loudness or the intensity. This is the amplitude. Amplitude is the distance, so the unit will be in meter. Depends on the force with which the object is made to vibrate. Yes, as you can understand, if I beat the drum, with higher force, so louder sound will be produced, right? So with the force that I'm using to beat the drum will result in higher or lower loudness, right? If I
Amplitude also force.
yeah. So lesser force, you can see the amplitude is not that much higher, less amplitude. Now the amplitude would be much higher. See, oh my man, did you see the amplitude is very high from the equilibrium position? It is very high. I will go 10 seconds back. You can see for this one, the amplitude is not that much, right? But for the next sound, you will see the amplitude will be much higher than this. See, the amplitude is higher now. Okay, from here to here or from here to here. So we can say that, see, more force, low amplitude means low sound, high amplitude means louder sound. Now we will talk about the third one, that is quality, or we can say timbre. One interesting fact is that students know about this quality, okay? But sometimes in the question I give, define timbre. Now they ask me, sir, what is timbre? Timbre is the same thing as quality, okay? The definition that you write for quality is the same definition you write for timbre. They know that what quality is. So when I tell them timbre is the same thing as quality, do you know what quality is? They say, yes, sir, we know rich quality, poor quality. So you could have written the same thing, but they don't remember that the other name of quality is timbre. So that is why I request you to remember this, okay? Acha, so what you can see here is a sound system at some particular house, right? Now, will you be playing any sound in your house that is not pleasant to you? You will never do that, right? You will always play some sound which are pleasant to hear. So these are of rich quality. This sound is of rich quality.
Sir, this sound have no wave?
No, because it depends on human feeling. You cannot mathematically calculate human feeling, okay? Because you see, I will give you an example, like the metallic songs, okay? Some people find it very pleasant to hear, and it is a total noise to me. The metallic songs, right? High metal, you cannot even hear what they are saying in the song. All you can hear is, banging of different metals. So it sounds like a noise to me, but some people find it very musical, and they enjoy it.
Sir, what is Citra?
Sitar. This is a musical instrument.
Sir,
Yes,
I have heard this first time.
sitar. Yes. Anybody else wants to say something?
স্যার বাংলা টিচার ক্লাস জয়েন করতে বলছেন।
কেন তোমাদের এখন রেসুস না?
না, আমাদের রিসেস টাইমে বাংলা থাকে সব দিন।
আচ্ছা, tell her that I will take only 2 more minutes. Within 2 minutes I will be done. Okay?
ওকে।
Okay. We will get done with this video within 2 minutes, inshallah, and then you can join your Bangla class. The last characteristic is nothing much. মা, সবাই শুনতে পাচ্ছে আপনার কি হচ্ছে। So rich quality because this is musical.
Sir, did you take the attendance?
I will take inshallah before ending the class. Nobody should leave.
Yes, we know.
You will not
Huh?
let us to join after 40. She will not allow us to join after 40.
মানে 36 এর পরে আমাদেরকে আর ঢুকতে দিবে না।
40 এর পরে আচ্ছা শেষ হয়ে যাচ্ছে তো আর 1 মিনিটই লাগবে হয়তো। So this is pleasant and see this is pleasant and the next one this is noisy, the horn of the sound. This is what I tried to explain today. Okay, so I think I have conveyed the message clearly. Do you want to ask any question based on today's lecture?
This lecture was easy, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I gave the attendance screenshot.
You gave the attendance screenshot where? In WhatsApp?
Yes, sir. He gave in physics.
Okay, thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum.
We're going.
Rahmatullah.